So we have here an engine that has not been serviced, and this has rendered in issues related with wear. And what we can see here, one of the first thing that comes close, the engine was rattling. When we have stripped it, we have seen one of the guide was broken off. The chain was so slackened, and then it was rattling badly. We can see even the condition of the oil is very bad on the cams. It's very black, very dirty. Also, quite a significant oil leak on the exhaust from the cam cover. The cam cover has a little crack from the chain rattling and eventually rubbing against it and making a crack in the cover. So all those things they are due to lack of servicing, which in long term they cause engine failure, parts wearing quicker than normally. Having your engine serviced regularly keep the engine in better condition for a longer period of time. Thank you.